Good morning, guys. It's it. What's up, you guys? It's Godox Fallen. Which gets back to anything for question. Didn't we think so? Well, right now, you guys. I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. I'm really tired this morning, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. So right now, you guys, I'm currently laying down, so that is what's going on. So I'm just relaxing. So this is gonna be fun. What are you doing, Syles? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's great, bottle. Are you gonna hold it too? Hold the bottle. Hold the bottle. What are you doing with the big eyes? Alice, what are you doing with the big eyes? What are you doing with the big eyes? You have big eyes? You guys, so right now, you guys, Syles and me are editing a video together, right? Syles and me are gonna edit a video. So that's what's going on. Yep. Hi, Syles. Hi. Hi. What's up, Syles? Are you gonna be the big eyes? Oh, sorry. Yeah, you give me the big eyes. And you tell me what to do. Poofy hair. Spiky hair. Spiky hair. Well, spiky hair. No spiky hair right there. Should I gel your hair? Yeah, you want me to gel your hair? Nah. You see yourself, Syles, huh? So that's what's going on, you guys.
So we're at the park. Grace is about to go down the tunnel slide, so let's... Alright, let's see you go down the slide. Whee! She climbed up the tunnel slide all by herself, guys. Can you say hi, friends?
Hi, friends.
So she's just climbing up here. Oh my goodness, she was using no hands for a second. What a crazy girl.
Hey.
Are you gonna go down the other tunnel slide? The big tunnel slide?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Down this slide. Ready, set.
Oh.
Whee! Go to the bumblebee? Yep, we're gonna go to the bumblebee. What are you doing? Am I your seat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Are you my baby girl? Oh, she's leaving now. Okay. But yeah, we're just playing. I'm tired, guys. I've been riding a bike everywhere. Right, Grace?
Yeah.
And she took some of her gibbets out of her crock. Because she wants to take them for a ride. Well, you know, why not? Be careful. Nice to meet you, Bee.
Me too. You did, Daddy. Me too. Banana don't walk. Okay.
Are you going to go up the tunnel again?
Hey guys, so right now, guys, we are going to pick up food, so that's what's going on. The park, you guys, and Grace is over there, running right in front of you guys, right there.
Remember last year, Gareth? We were like, oh my god, don't go on this slide. And now you're doing so good!
Because she knows how you slow down.
Yay!
Buddy.
Alright, remember, so wait, now you're here where it's more steep. Go on your bum. Okay.
Bo.
Alright. Oh, it's not that cold, Grace. Do you want my hand?
Come on. Good. And in the water.
There you go.
Let it go?
Go.
Are you going to come back up here and say let it go? I hope you guys should really subscribe, guys. Do get a big thumbs up. Good night.